I'm Michael Hills, attorney at law. I bartended for a long time, and then I decided I need something more substantial for a profession. Went back to school, decided to follow my father's footsteps. I decided to go to law school, and from there, I didn't really know what I wanted to do. I decided then to clerk and got a clerkship in Allegan for a circuit court judge. And then I got to watch litigators in action, people in trial, running motions. I got to see people doing a good job, people doing a bad job, and I decided I wanted to do that. I was going to be a prosecutor. I was going to go to Kent County. I had an interview in Kent County for the prosecutor's position. But then I decided kind of at the last moment that I would work with my dad while he was still working. My dad has been a criminal defense attorney for, I don't know, ever. And I'm still with him today. He's still at the firm today, and I see him every day, and I'm very thankful for that. Probably my most high-profile case was the Whitmer kidnapping case. And in that case, we were fortunate to get an acquittal of our client. It's not the only high-profile case I've had. I've had quite a few high-profile cases. What's important when you're dealing with a high-profile case is focusing on your client. And so if you're listening to your client, you're going to be ahead of the game because they were there, they went through it, they lived it, they know it. While this is very important to us, it's a job. And I tell every client that they're thinking about their case more than I am because it's the most important thing in their life and they're thinking about it all the time. So from a criminal defense perspective, you need to use that. That's an asset for you. So don't think of your client as a distraction or they're not a lawyer so they don't know. They're an asset because they were there or they know about the case or they're thinking about it. So they might not have an exact grip on the appropriate strategy to take. They might not know the Fourth Amendment versus the Fifth Amendment, but use them as an asset. So I think the most important thing that an attorney, a criminal defense attorney, can have is the ability to listen and tune in, specifically to your client. A client comes to us and they're in the criminal justice system and it's unknown to them. Well, it's not unknown to us. I've been doing it for 24 years. Everybody in the firm has been doing it for years and years. Everybody knows those hallways, so it's not unknown to us. So when we walk in there, we'll have your back.